everybody, this is Praxis, and I've been doing just kind of odds and ends today. Outside, you can see there's a bunch of hay out here on the ground. The landscape people were kind of finishing up this area, getting some topsoil down, some hay down, I didn't want to be trying to work on the outside of the structure. There's still a little bit of work left to do here, some foaming, getting some of the strapping boards cut to size. I actually ran out of nails again. I'm not super great at knowing how much material I need ahead of time. Well, actually, that's not the best way to put it. I think the best way to put it is that I'm not super great at feeling motivated to go through the process of figuring out exactly how much material I need ahead of time. I mean, it's fairly academic, kind of counting how much you're going to need, but I just never feel like I want to put in the time to do that. So, yeah, I'm waiting for some more nails to show up to finally finish everything up, and that should be way, way overkill what I'm ordering, so I make sure that I have enough of them. But yeah, I didn't want to do any of that today anyway because landscapers were working on the outside. They did get me a trench that goes from the house to here, which is going to be used to put in the hot water tubes that run from the panels that go on the roof into the house. And in order to find out exactly where those pass-throughs were, I put this little temporary handle. That's not the final handle, that'd be a huge tripping hazard. I put this on here and pop down into the basement area. In fact, you can kind of see how deep it is, like that, to find out where the pass-throughs were. I think this is going to be a really great asset having this down here, once I get a functional handle on there, I think it's going to, yeah, I think this is going to work out pretty great. It's pretty humid down there though. I'm not sure if that's just maybe the residual moisture that was down there or what, but maybe I should leave that thing open, let it dry out a little bit. The other thing I did today is I assembled these shelves to your left. I wanted to get them up and together because when I was putting together the first one, I noticed that one of the shelves was bent, really badly bent, and I opened up all the others. In every single box, I bought 4 shelves. Every single box had one really damaged shelf in it. And the rest of these aren't pristine by any stretch. You look along them and there's little dents and things in them, but it's like they're still functional. But each one had a really bent up shelf in there, and they must have taken a real beating to try to bend them up that much. But anyway, from the 4 shelving boxes, I got 3 shelves together. One of them's going to go back. I hope that Home Depot doesn't give me a hassle about it, because they've been giving me a hassle about so many different things when I need to bring stuff back. But it just they're intolerably bent. They can't even go together. So anyway, I wanted to get them up to find out exactly how many shelves were bad, and worked out that there were 4 bad shelves, 1 for each of the shelving units. So that's where things are today. Tomorrow, my dad's going to be back. We're going to get the metal panels up there, and then we are 100% ready for the hot water people to come, put in their equipment, put up their panels, put in their conduit, and then I can finish up these doors, and then we're essentially done with the shed, and then we can start working on the house part of the homestead again. That's it. Thanks for watching.